Hello, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the unboxing. This is the unboxing of the X Arcade, the Ultimate Arcade Gaming Experience. Of course, as you know, I purchased the Pac-Man game on PS4, so I'm trying to make sure I get me the perfect joystick. That's all I want is Pac-Man. So I'm gonna unbox this game, this joystick, and see what it's about. And I figure that we can do this together. So let me get something. Hit this. I should have had something here, right? So I guess I need to punch this tape. I'm using the pen. Oh goodness. There it is. Don't have to make it as difficult. Oh, before I open this, let me show you. My granddaughter getting ready to turn 5, and I made her a t-shirt. Look what I made. Isn't that cute? Yes, I think she's gonna like it. I'm gonna pick her up some jeans, some little black jeans or something. So, yes. Oh, look at here, look at here. Let's see. This thing looks beautiful. I'm opening it before you pull out the box. Trying to get out the box. What else is in the box? Nothing in the box. It's empty. Nothing else comes in there, just that. So we're gonna move this out the way. Here it is. Oh, this is what it looks like. Let me see. That's what it looks like. Extreme. Oh. Yes. Can you see that? I'll make sure you can see. And you got a book. Can I put a book in there? Let me see my spot a little bit. Stop. Please read the manual first. Yeah, so we definitely got to sit down and read the manual before we even try to operate or play it. Chords. Oh, this thing kind of big. Got crates on there. Look at that, look at that. Yes. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Do 2 players. Hold it up a little bit. This thing got some weight on it. It's kind of heavy. Let's see. What we got going on over here? Okay. Buttons. Let's see what's on the side. The way it's built. Okay, you sit it up there as if you really got a whole console. So yeah, so this is for 2 players. Got the buttons, 1 player, 2 player, whatever, and I'm hook it up and play my Pac-Man. Yes, I'm looking forward to that. Thank you for watching. I hope you get it. Where we purchased this from? We purchased this on I can't even remember. I can't even remember where I purchased this at. But I believe it was $1.99. I do know it was kind of, the price was up there. I believe it's like $1.69, $1.99, something like that. But yes, this is it. This is it. The ultimate joystick, Pac-Man. So, thanks for watching.